how to change the name in Outlook Mail. So if you want to change the name in Outlook Mail, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Outlook. You can go with your application or on your browser. Once you signed into your account on your Outlook, you need to just go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Once you're on your profile here, you will have My Profile. You need to click on it. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. Now, if you want to change the name, then you just need simply go with your information, and here you will have your full name, right? So under full name, you need to go with edit name, which is on the right side. Once you click on edit name here, you need to just remove your first and last name and then add your new name. You can enter your new last and first name that you would like to change. And after entering your name, you can go with save and your name will be saved. And this way, you'll be able to change your name on your Outlook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.